Everyone says they want to get rich, but what does it mean to be rich anyways? Each and every individual has their own definition of what being rich means to them. For me, being rich isn't just about the money. Being able to spend my time how I want, training Muay Thai, getting absolutely shredded, driving motorbikes along the beach, watching the sunset, and surrounding myself with absolute killers who only want to see you win. I've never felt richer in my life, and I've never even started a business. Right now, I'm making $20,000 a month working only 2 to 6 hours a day off my phone and laptop, helping online businesses close deals anywhere in the world, and then doing what I want to do for the rest of the day. So in this video today, I'm going to give you the full A to Z blueprint on how to make your first $5,000 a month with high ticket sales. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight in. So first off, you need to get full clarity on what you're going to be looking for, either an appointment setting role as a setter or a remote closer. And if you have zero experience right now, I highly recommend starting out as an appointment setter just because there's such a low entry level to get started, so that way you can start earning your first few $1,000s, getting your reps in, leveling up your skills, and knowing exactly what you're going to be doing with remote sales. Now, next up, we're going to be creating a tracking sheet that I'll be sharing on the screen right now, just organizing who we're reaching out to, how many times we reached out, color coding everything to see who said yes, no, maybe, and who we need to follow up with. Now, this sheet is going to be very important in terms of staying consistent, knowing who's saying yes, no, maybe, just to keep everything accountable to yourself and to make sure you know what's working, what's not working, and what you need to fix in order to increase the chances of yourself landing that first goldmine offer. Now, in terms of actually finding these goldmine offers that you're going to be appointment setting or closing for, the best place to start looking is on YouTube, just because that's where the hottest offers are. That's where the best leads are, just because of with Instagram, with TikTok, you know, they're only watching 10 to 15 second clips, not really being able to understand who these people are about, what they're selling, and if they can even help them. But with YouTube, they're watching 15-minute to hour-long videos, learning exactly what they do, if they trust them, turning them into very hot leads, already ready to buy. Now, with finding these online businesses and these goldmine offers, I'm going to be sharing my screen again and going over the exact process. So first up, you're going to go on YouTube. You need to find out which niche you're going to go for. So let's just say you like day trading offers. You've day traded a little bit yourself. You know the terminology, you know the ins and outs. You're very comfortable and confident talking about it. So we're going to look up day trading. And when we look up, let's just say how to day trade, because you need to position yourself in someone who's actually trying to learn the skill. So type in how to day trade. And when you type this in, there's going to be abundance of different videos popping up. And now it's all about just qualifying these people, making sure they have subscribers, traffic, and have a high ticket offer, and bonus points if it aligns with what niche you're going for. So let's just say with Juvier, we can click on him. He has got a lot of subscribers. We can go down here, see he's getting a lot of views. And now we know that he has a lot of traffic coming in, which means there's a lot of money coming in as well. So now we just need to make absolutely certain they have a high ticket offer, so we're not wasting our time, their time, and we know for sure when we're reaching out that they do have a high ticket offer. Now, to do so, what we can do is we can kind of go through his videos, his bio, his Instagram, just kind of go through his funnel. I like to call this the shadow funnel strategy. You want to just click around a little bit, do some research. Now, right now, we're going to go through his bio. We can see there's a few different links here, but we don't really see a high ticket offer yet. But now if we go through his videos, we click his description, we see something that says it's like trade live with me one-on-one. It sounds like more one-on-one access. Now we're going to click this. And when we click this, it brings us to a landing page that has a VSL. And with this VSL, 99 out of 100% of the time, it's going to lead you to book a call, which is a 99% chance that he has a high ticket offer. And after we learn that Juvier has a high ticket offer, we're going to go ahead and collect the information that we need in order to attack him from all different angles. Now, if you go to his YouTube, you click the bio and there's the check email address. You can get one email address there. Or secondly, from the landing page with the VSL, if you watch that video all the way through, you know, actually book a call as a high qualified prospect, you're gonna get another separate email. Now, with both of these emails, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the tracker just for a little bit later. Next up, we're gonna find Juvier on Instagram, Facebook, and as many platforms as you can. You can look on LinkedIn, Upwork, But most likely all of these people, they're gonna have at least 2 emails, an Instagram, and a Facebook. Now we're gonna put all of this information in the tracking sheet that we set up earlier, and now it's all about outreaching like an absolute G. Now with outreaching, I'm gonna give you a quick example of what it should look like. It should be fully customized and tailored to the person that you're reaching out to. So let's just say Juvier, for example. I'll outreach to him and give you guys a quick glimpse of what to do. Hey Juvier, my name is Ryan Little. I'm 22, living in Bangkok, Thailand right now. I've closed over $200,000 cash collected over the last 6 months, and I really love and respect what you do, helping people change their lives with day trading, and would love to close some deals for you. And just to prove myself, I'm willing to call and close all of your old cold dead leads that maybe you've given up on, just to prove to yourself that I'm your guy. Now I know you're very busy, Juvier. You got a big family out in Dubai. You're living life completely on your terms. Really love that. Really look forward to hear back from you, but I know you're very busy. No need to respond, but hope you have a great rest of your day. So guys, that's totally off the top of my head. It doesn't have to be exactly like that, but it's very important that you have very high conviction in yourself, very high energy. Make sure it's a video as well. Make sure it's a good background, good lighting, good audio. That's the most important part. And make sure that you're not, looking ugly. You're well groomed, no pimples, at least the best as you can do. I mean, not everyone's gonna be as handsome as me, but you gotta just try your best. Make it the highest quality outreach possible, which will help you stand out from the people that I've seen who've just sent DMs and the Instagram DMs, and that's all they do. Now, if you're looking to fast track through this entire process, join Living Unchained, where I've helped over 50 plus people land their first gold mine offers and scale to 10,000 a month anywhere in the world with high ticket sales. And if you want, feel free to book a call down below. I can't help everyone, but if I can help you, I'm more than happy to. Or you can reach out to me on Instagram at Ryan Little with 2 N's and 2 E's. But next up with this outreaching, what you actually want to do with the video that we just made together, you're going to want to send to both of the emails that you got with the subject. You want to stand out. So let's just say in the subject of that email, whatever you do, please don't watch this, or just something very creative. And of course, you want to send this to his Instagram DM. And another thing you can do as well, make a separate Instagram account and then post that video on the story of that Instagram account. Do this only once a day for one influencer per day. Tag Juvier in the story and post that story. And then of course, you can send this to his Facebook on Messenger, LinkedIn, or wherever else you can attack him. This is where you attack him from all different angles. Now, in terms of reaching out each and every single day, I'd recommend at least 5 different people a day to maximize the speed and efficiency of landing your first gold mine offer. Because some people, what I've seen, they try this for maybe 1 day, 2 days, maybe a week, and then they just give up and go back to the 9 to 5. But if you really want to make it and you really want to scale to 10,000 a month and land that gold mine offer, you just have to keep going. It's just a numbers game. You're look at yourself as a business, as an appointment setter or a closer, helping these other online businesses. And this is more of like a B2B cold call. Like the more numbers you do, the better of a chance you have of landing that first gold mine offer. But I mean, with my students in Living Unchained, I kind of just give them the gold mine offer. So if that's something you want to do, you can book a call below. You can join the high table as well. It's just a network out here of like 80 to 85 people in person. It's not just like an online Zoom call that we have that I've seen most online communities do. But if you are looking to come to Bangkok as well, we do have the high table as well. Message me on Instagram. But yeah, other than that, guys, hopefully this has been a great help to helping you find your first gold mine offer. It's been an absolute pleasure, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bro, it's running.
Good morning, guys. We're about to go to do some Muay Thai with the boys. We had a good very first evening. Had a lot of steak, a lot of eggs. Now we have for the plan for today, Muay Thai, shisha, ice bath. Maybe I'll give you guys a villa tour near the end. But yeah, look at the views, guys. Absolutely stunning. Working out, tanning, getting a pump, while also making tons of gains online with remote sales. Now, Sam, how was your sleep last night?
It was good, it was good.
It's good?
But you know, the first 2 hours I slept here. Yeah,
Oh
but then the mosquitoes ate me, bro, and I was like looking for a room, and then I found the room downstairs.
How do you rate this villa so far?
Bro, I think it's the best villa I've ever been to.
Yeah, it's insane, bro. It's like 3 stories,
Yeah.
2 pools, 9 bedrooms. Absolutely crazy.
Private chef.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, free breakfast, steaks every night. What else do you guys need? Alex, what are you doing today? Just like Muay Thai, ice bath?
Yeah.
What else are we doing? Trying to let them know what we're doing
Beach,
today.
probably ice nice spot we're gonna do later. Go on the beach, make some more content. Maybe drive jet skis.
Yeah.
And then maybe go out tonight. Who knows? But let's hope we not.
Alles klar, shoes on. Alright, let's go guys.